Alright, morning to you. One of my subscribers wanted me to do a video on how I start my forge. Alright, well, the starting ingredients are some fat lighter, some of my homemade charcoal, because this lights a lot easier than the coal does. Alright, let me get this thing fired up for you. It don't take much of that fat lighter to get the process going. And I take my lump charcoal that I made. Now originally, I made this lump charcoal to do forging, because coal's sometimes a little bit hard to find around here. Well, it works. The only problem with it is it burns up pretty damn quick. It takes a fair amount of it to get anything done. Not like the coal. But once as you can see, I'm stacking some of this coal on there. All right, now I'm going to give it some air. All right, we'll let that get going good. Well, I'm gonna try to forge this morning. I gotta make me a 3 foot long drill bit to drill out my ramrod hole in my smooth rifle. Never done this before. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I have a piece of bolt. It's plenty long enough, but this bolt was I took it out of a spool. That the phone wires come on, electric wires come on. I don't know if it's good steel or not. I just don't know. But it won't take but a minute to forge it out, and if it don't work, it don't work. Found a place to buy me a 4-foot bit, the right size. It wasn't bad, $17. Them son of a guns, they wanted $30 to ship it. I said, the hell with that. All right, once I get the fire going, I put a little water on it. And that changes the coal down to what we call coke. Burning what I'm doing, I'm burning all the impurities out of it. My neighbors love me. Got the whole damn place smoking up. Yeah. When you put that water on it, that stuff sticks together. Break it apart a little bit. All right, it's getting there. Fixing to put the hammer to it. Like I said, I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I gotta give it a try. I don't know how successful I'm gonna be by keeping this thing centered up, but I'm gonna give it a try. See what I can do. I had a bit guy made me a couple years back. A machinist made it for me, and he took a steel rod and he drilled a hole in it the size of the shank of the drill bit, heated up the rod, and then jammed the drill bit in there and stuck it nice. It worked pretty good, but I broke it. All right, let's see what I can do. All right, I got it flattened out. I'm gonna let that cool, and I'll put the grinder to it. You know, try to shape it up better. See what happens. And once I get it shaped like I want it, I'll heat it back up and quench it in oil and sharpen it and see what happens. All right, this old Florida cracker. Y'all subscribe. Keep watching.